If you love woodworking, today's video is for you. We're looking at 3 genius tools that can instantly improve your projects, save time, and help you build like a pro. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced woodworker, these tools make every project faster, cleaner, and more accurate. Let's get started. 1. Pocket Jig Kit. A pocket hole jig guides your drill bit at a precise angle, creating an angle known as a pocket. A special pocket hole screw is then driven through that hole into another piece of wood, creating a strong and secure joint. One of the biggest advantages is speed. Instead of spending time cutting wrists and tenon joints or using towels, you can create a professional quality joint in just a few minutes. Most pocket hole jigs allow you to adjust different wood thicknesses, making you see softer than MDF. Many kits also use drill guides, stock collars, driver bits, and sandwich screws, so you can start building immediately. These jigs are popular for cabinets, bookshelves, tables, chairs, drawers, workbenches, and DIY furniture projects. To use one, simply clamp the jig on the important piece, the little pocket holes, line the boards, and clamp them together. The result is a clean, tight yoke with impressive stability. If you're new to woodworking, this is one of the easiest tools to learn, and it delivers professional-looking results. 2. Self-centering drill bit set. Have you ever installed a door hinge or cabinet hardware, only to realize the screw drifted off-center? That's a common problem with standard drill bits. The self-centering drill bit solves this by automatically positioning itself in the exact center of the hardware. The spring-loaded outer sleeve keeps the bit perfectly centered, helping create accurate pilot holes every time. This simple feature greatly reduces mistakes and prevents misaligned hinges or damaged hardware. These drill bits are ideal for installing cabinet hinges, door slides, cover hinges, latches, handles, locks, and many other woodworking pieces. Most sets include several sizes, along with different screw diameters. Using one is easy. Place the tip into the hardware hole, apply gentle pressure, the bit stays centered automatically, giving you clean, precise pilot. For furniture makers and cabinet installers, this tool saves time while improving the overall quality of the finished project. 3. Corner clamp. Keeping 2 boards perfectly aligned at a 90-degree angle can be surprisingly difficult, especially when making a welding. That's where a corner clamp becomes incredibly useful. A corner clamp securely holds 2 workpieces at a perfect right angle while you drill, screw, nail, or glue them together. Many corner clamps feature quick release handles and adjustable jaws, making them compatible with different wood thicknesses. They're commonly used for building picture frames, drawers, cabinets, boxes, shelves, and furniture. Instead of struggling to hold 2 boards with one hand while fastening them with the other, the clamp keeps everything stable, allowing you to focus on accuracy. Many woodworkers even use 2 or 4 corner clamps at once when assembling large cabinet frames. A good corner clamp not only speeds up assembly, but also helps produce cleaner, straighter, and stronger joints. So, which of these 3 woodworking tools impressed you the most? The pocket hole jig kit, the self-centering drill bit set, or the corner clamp? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed discovering smart woodworking tools, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing tools and DIY innovations.